What's up, guys? Devin with Venture Hobby Passion back today doing another video. And sadly, most of the videos actually got corrupt files, so I am remaking it, which kind of sucks, but I can give it and make it better now. So let's get in the truck, and you guys are gonna see some videos. Oh, this was already posted because I changed up the order. And you're seeing a sneak peek. This is the switch panel in this video. I'm gonna be installing a switch panel. I decided to go right here. It's a pretty good location, nice and low, tucked down, not up stabbing you in the face that it's there. It is not the easiest to turn on and off buttons, but so far I only have these two, so it's not like I have to turn these ones on and off for like if I'm driving down the road. So yeah, I decided that was the best place. I thought about mounting it right here facing towards me, but I just didn't think that was going to be very comfortable, and I thought about maybe having the option of heated seats in there, but I don't know. I probably would actually, in all reality, redo my reverse thing, put a heated seat there for me, and then or maybe put both of them there if I ever do heated seats. All right, and we're back. So working on the truck. I got the wire ran into the cab for my switch panel thing, and I'm going to mount it straight on top of my fuse box. Am I going to be able to read and know my fuses anymore? No, but it's common knowledge of what it is. It's all over the manual inside the glove box, so it's really not a concern. It's an easy place and convenient place to mount it, so I'm just going to mount it right there, and we'll keep going. All right, well, it's the following day. I figured out where key on power is inside this switch box. I was able to run it up where the power cable comes up, so it's in the OEM area. I still need to mount this selectable fuse, resettable fuse. That's what it is. It's not the name of it. I forget the name of it. And then if you're curious what I used for key on power, it was actually the AC fuse. It's a 10 amp fuse, so 5 amps more than what it has on the aux beam kit that it starts. But let me get my keys out and get it in the ignition. We got the scan gauge on and working. I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up. As you can see, the switch panel's not on. Let me put the key in the ignition. Turn to the on position. I forgot that I temporarily had this power cable on for this switch box, so it still does work. I was a little confused right there, so let's show you. On position, it turns on. Plug this gauge back in. Let it run. Now I need to get the plastic thing on this and get it in here. Get this installed, and then that's done. I will be able to install hood lights and everything. Let me show you that it auto dims. It's freaking sick. No, I did not buy the $300 one that's all Bluetooth and color coordinating and changing. That would have been sick, but I'm trying to ball on a budget. So this one's like 165 bucks. I got 8 switches to deal with and play with, so that's super good. All right, before I ended this video, for those people that actually stayed, I wanted to give you advice. Don't wire it to your AC. It only works if you have the AC button on and then obviously clicked into the first click, or it's actually not key on power. It's key on power, but then you also have to have that switch on. So don't do that. Find key on power. Unfortunately, you have to run a second wire back into the cab, and putting stuff through this that grommet's not the greatest. I don't really have another option because I don't have a second hole. I put it through and I put dielectric grease on it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.